Hi chefs, I'm Miss Andi from the Cary Area Public Library, and today we're going to make a mug omelet. But first, we have to wash our hands. Then we'll need our tools. A large microwave-safe mug. I'm using glass Pyrex measuring cups so I can watch what happens. Be sure your mug is large enough so that the egg doesn't escape when it grows. A little whisk or a fork, a small container for the egg, and be sure to politely ask a grown-up to help you with a knife. We'll need a few ingredients too. A little spray oil, 2 large eggs, and about a tablespoon of any type of shredded cheese like Parmesan, Asiago, Jack, or cheddar. I like cheddar, or you can have a little bit of each. We also get to add about a tablespoon each of up to 2 more mix-ins that we like. We chose just 2 because too many mix-ins might not cook well. I chose purple onion. First, spray the inside of your mug, another great job for a grown-up, and they like to help. Break each egg separately into the container. This helps us exercise the small muscles in our hands. We do this one at a time so it's easy to remove any shell that may fall in. If some does fall in, you can use a bigger piece of the eggshell to remove it because they stick together. Whisk it really well so that the yellow yolk mixes with the clear white and you get a light yellow. Ta-da! Put the egg in the Pyrex, and then you get to choose your mix-ins. You get to pick what you like because you get to eat it. Be sure they're chopped small. That's a great job for a grown-up. Stir it a little bit after dropping in each mix-in. You can use peppers, ham, onions, sausage, bacon, whatever you like. Have a grown-up place it into the middle of the microwave. Set it for 30 seconds at high power. When the timer beeps, ask your grown-up to take it out. It may be hot. If it's still a little runny, continue to cook it for 35 to 40 seconds at high power until it's bright yellow and fluffy. So give it a stir with a clean fork and let it rest for a minute before eating it. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Let us know how you made it your own by sharing and tagging us on Instagram.